Jeremy, swear him in.
State your full name for the record.
Stephen Paul Leakey.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and your version of the truth, to answer as many questions as you can in as few words in the least amount of time?
I will do my best. Yes, thank you so much.
He's ready.
All right. How do you spell Leakey?
Leakey.
Is it Leakey or Lakey?
Leakey.
So you're not Leakey.
Correct.
Are you related to Ricky Lake?
No.
Wake and Bakey, Lando Lakey?
No.
Shimmy Lake, Jimmy Lakey?
No.
Were you involved in the mistake by the lake?
No.
Cleveland Stadium?
No.
Are you from Cleveland?
No.
Do you bleed OU maroon?
Yes.
Boomer Sooner or Storm and Norman?
Boomer Sooner.
What does Boomer Sooner stand for?
Boomer Sooner.
What's your mascot?
Their mascot is like a great big sort of...
Is it an ox?
No.
Oxen, right? What's your rally cry?
Boomer Sooner.
Not only are you a hometown hero, isn't it true you adopted 2 children?
Yes.
What are the names and how old are they?
Carrie and Drew, they're both right around 50.
Who's your favorite?
I have no favorites.
Isn't it true you were VP of marketing for EDS Japan?
Yes.
What was the strangest thing about living in Japan?
The fact that any business practice outside of Japan does not typically work in Japan.
Give us a word in Japanese.
Tokyo Echo.
Oh, it's a good one. I got off my track. Isn't it true you went to high school in Melbourne, Australia?
Oh, yeah.
Australia?
Yes.
Hey, mate, give us your best Aussie impression.
Good day, mate.
Good day, mate.
Australian rules football.
Let's put another shrimp on the Barbie.
Land down under. Bingo's
Australian
about.
rules football in the land down under. Dingo's about.
Bingo's about. True or false? Have you ever permed your hair?
Have I ever what?
Permed your hair. Have you ever
No.
received a permanent?
No.
What kind of product do you use?
None.
Have you ever rocked a bristle brush, a pencil stash?
No.
How tall are you?
6'4".
Did you used to be taller?
Don't think so.
Do you wear short shorts to the gym?
No.
Do you even lift, bro?
Do I what?
Do you even lift, bro?
I do.
How much do you bench?
I don't bench.
Isn't it true that you wear glasses just for style?
No.
What's your eyesight?
2100.
Do you have any other handicaps?
No.
This Halloween, will you go as Ross Perot?
Make that Ross Perot. No.
Perot or Peru?
Perot.
Parrot.
Perot.
Do you have a will?
Yes.
Prenup?
No.
How much money will it take for you to retire?
I'm already retired, so it's too late to figure that out.
He knows his number. What's the most humble job you've ever had?
Mowing lawns.
How often do you check social media?
0.
What apps do you use? 0.
None.
Zero.
Are you posting, trolling, comments, or just browsing?
Just browsing.
I stay off.
Have you cried in the last year?
Love you.
Yes.
Month?
Yes.
Week?
Yes.
Day?
Almost.
Sum up your life philosophy in a word or phrase.
Balance.
One thing people don't know about you that you want them to know.
I read a lot of history books on the early presidents.
Isn't it true you run the VAC?
Yes.
And obviously VAC short for vacuum cleaner?
No, Voter Awareness Council.
When you run the VAC, it is allowed. Spell vacuuming.
VACUUMING.
Perfect. I could never spell that.
Me either. How many political campaigns have you worked on?
I would have to say 10 or 15.
What's the best kept secret in the Woodlands Township?
Why we should incorporate.
Which candidate you worked with spent the most time in the mirror?
Probably Bruce Tuff.
Yes, sir. Yay.
How about the least?
The least would have been probably Lloyd Matthews.
Absolutely. Assuming you're the top dog, who's the second in command at the VAC?
Pat Schwartz.
What's the meanest thing you've ever said during a campaign?
I really can't say that here.
Have you ever made someone cry?
Probably.
When's the last time?
Within the last 6 weeks or 8 weeks, probably.
Ooh. If you could go back and be anything other than a space engineer, what would you be?
Well, I wasn't really a space engineer for very long, but I would be an airline pilot if I could.
On your next trip to space, are you flying Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk?
Musk.
UPenn.
Are you taking William Shatner?
Yes.
Richard Branson?
Yes.
Top unchecked bucket list item.
Probably to go to Antarctica.
One food for life, what would you eat?
Salmon.
Fastest you've ever gone in a car.
90, 95. Not very.
Pretty chill.
I'm not heavy-footed.
What's your favorite artist?
Probably. Well, I know it's not Picasso, but I love Picasso. Rembrandt.
All right. Musical artist.
The Chicago Symphony.
Favorite place you've ever been?
Hong Kong.
Who's your favorite person in office?
The senator from Florida.
Marco Rubio?
Yes, Marco Rubio.
Least favorite?
Our current president.
George H.W. Bush or Ross Perot?
As president or for president or
Just in general.
in general, I'll go with the Bushes.
Rusty Hardin or Tony Busby?
Rusty Hardin.
Why does Deshaun Watson need so many massages?
You'll have to ask him that.
Hopefully we will. Who's smarter, you or Ann?
And
What's a better pet, a mangy Persian cat or a vicious Cocker Spaniel?
I'll take the mangy cat.
Yes, you're a
Would
cat
you rather
person.
cats?
Cats.
Would you rather eat
We have
spice?
3 cats. I know.
You got what's their names?
I don't remember.
Here, kitty. Would you rather eat spicy curry in Mumbai with Dinesh D'Souza or monkey brains in North Korea with Kim Jong-il?
I'll have the curry.
Would you rather be annexed or incorporated?
Incorporated.
100-yard dash, you versus Eric Yalik.
Until I get my 2 knees replaced, Yalik.
Both going on segways. Attaboy.
Hey, did you enjoy the hot seat,
Oh,
Steve?
it was great. It was
Yeah.
great.